Hey everyone, welcome to the SS Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you guys downloading Atom. For downloading Atom, I'm going to come here and I'm going to say download Atom. Okay, and I will go to the first website that I see. You can see here, this is the Atom. And in this video series, we will use the latest version of Atom. And for now, it is 1.54.0. Maybe in the future, this version will change, but our codes or our HTML tags or etc. will never change. Okay guys, that is why you can get the whatever it is. Okay, when you use Windows, you will see this as a Windows operation system, but when you use Mac OS or the Linux, you will see this as a Linux or Mac. Okay guys, I'm gonna click the download here. Actually, I will just cancel this because before this lecture I download my Atom. I will go to the downloads and I will show you this setting up this Atom. Okay guys, you can see here this is my Atom setup. I'm gonna double time click on this and we will wait here. You can see, if you see this, that means you download this perfectly. Let's wait here. I'm just gonna close this. Okay guys, I think it is ready. Let's go here and you can see my Atom is set it up perfectly. Okay guys, if you see this window, if you see this welcome guide or the welcome page here, that means you download your Atom perfectly and you set this up. Okay, let's finish this lesson here and we will in the next lecture we will start to code in the Atom.